Well, who is this video for? This video is for CNA, licensed vocational nurses, licensed professional nurses, registered nurses, nurse practitioners, physicians, pharmacists, paramedical, medical assistants, administrative assistants. Anybody who is in healthcare will benefit from this video. So, part of the Spanish grammar, the first part is part of speech. You will be covering this. So, it contains, you will learn the articles, the nouns, adjectives, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, conjunctions, and interjections. Those are 9 parts of speech, but I group them under 6 lessons. Okay, so lesson 1 is articles and nouns. Lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4. Lesson 5 is adverbs and preposition, and lesson 6 is conjunctions and interjection. So with that, you have covered the first part of Spanish grammar that you need to advance. After that, there will be a second part, which is building simple sentences in Spanish. Okay, after module 1, here is what you have. If you have a sentence like this, you see this: las células necesitan oxígeno y energía para funcionar. El sistema digestivo procesa y descompone alimentos ingeridos. Los diversos nutrientes absorbidos de los intestinos viajan hacia todas las partes del cuerpo humano vía el sistema circulatorio. So, these are sentences. After module 1, when you see a sentence like this, you know what is article, what is a noun, what is a verb, what is a object, you will know everything. Okay? So your takeaway from module 1 is to be able to identify the different part of speech of a sentence. Okay, it's called word level grammar. Okay, you have this as article, you have this as adjective, you have this as a noun, which is sustantivo. This is a participial adjective. This is a preposition. This is an article again. This is a noun called sustantivo. Things like that. This is what you learn in module 1. When you see a sentence, or you will know what is what. You won't be confused about what is what. You'll be able to name the different part of the sentence. That's very important. If you are going to build sentences, you need to know what is what and the grammatical slot that each component belongs to. Well, so far, if you've been enjoying the video, if you have learned anything, consider subscribing to the channel, and consider like the video and share its content with your friend, and whether they are in medical field or not. If they need to learn Spanish, you can share with them. Thank you. This video is an overview of Spanish grammar foundations, the part of speech. The course itself is about 6 hours and is all yours to access at 0 cost. Just request it as indicated here. So here is my email. So you just send me an email, you put your name. I want my free foundational Spanish grammar course, and I will send you the link to the playlist. The playlist is held private for program members. So I'll send you a link to the playlist, and I encourage you to get a notebook and summarize each lesson and complete the exercises. And upon completion, you can enroll in the next level course, which is building simple sentences in Spanish. Those 2 courses will help you read, understand, and gradually start expressing yourself in Spanish at a general level. So check the video description below for a link to the sentence building course, and save the link for the future. For now, feel free to request the Spanish part of speech. all yours free. Thank you.